Hello there. Ready to elevate your lifestyle with some seriously cool gadgets? Victrola Vintage 3-speed Bluetooth portable suitcase record player combines classic style with modern audio features. It offers premium sound quality with sound isolating feet to reduce vibration, making it ideal for any room. Encased in a vintage suitcase with a convenient carry handle, it's fully portable. Stream audio from your smartphone through the built-in Bluetooth speakers or connect external speakers via RCA outputs. You can also play non-Bluetooth devices through the line input or enjoy personal listening with a headphone jack, all without needing extra equipment. TOZO T10 Bluetooth wireless earbuds offer premium sound with deep bass using Oryx tuning, enhancing your music, podcasts, and calls with immersive audio. They connect easily to most Bluetooth-enabled devices and provide stable, fast transmission for reliable listening. Waterproof and sweat-resistant, they're perfect for workouts and withstand unexpected rain. Enjoy 10 hours of playtime per charge, extending to 45 hours with the wireless charging case. Convenient touch controls make it easy to switch songs, answer calls, and adjust volume effortlessly. iFLYTEK language translator device offers face-to-face bidirectional simultaneous translation with 60 languages online and 18 offline packs. Utilizing award-winning technology with 98% accuracy and 0.5-second response time, it delivers natural, human-like translation, ideal for travel, business, and learning. With photo translation for menus, signs, and maps in 50 languages and 2-year global data covering 200+ regions, it's ready for worldwide use without SIM cards. The 5-inch HD touchscreen, dual operation modes, and compact design make it user-friendly, providing 6 hours of translation time and 10 days standby per charge. Blitzart 18-inch longboard electronic skateboard features an 18 mph top speed with a 350-watt brushless hub motor for a smooth, quiet ride. Its wireless remote offers acceleration, deceleration, reverse, and 2 speed modes to suit beginners and advanced riders, plus a hold function for easy mounting. Constructed with a 7-ply maplewood deck between bamboo layers for flexibility and strength, it supports up to 250 pounds. The concave deck with grip tape keeps feet secure. The hub motor design allows for a sleek look, quieter operation, and can be ridden like a regular board even without a battery. ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro is an intelligent window cleaning robot with 2,800 Pascal suction power for secure attachment and hands-free cleaning, especially for high windows. Its dual cross water spray keeps the mop pad constantly damp, easily tackling stubborn stains. Featuring WindSlam 3.0 path planning, it navigates efficiently, while edge detection ensures safe cleaning on frameless and framed glass. It offers 3 cleaning modes: quick, deep, and spot stain removal. With a large reservoir and water-saving spray, it requires minimal refills and automatically returns to its starting point once the cleaning is done. ECOFLOW Delta 2 portable power station offers a 1024 Wh lithium iron phosphate battery and delivers 1800 watt output to power 90% of home appliances, ideal for backup power, camping, and RVs. It boasts 7 times faster charging, reaching 0 to 80% in 50 minutes and 100% in 80 minutes via alternating current. Expandable with extra batteries for up to 3 kWh capacity, it has 15 outlets for multiple devices and supports 500 watt solar input for off-grid use. A quiet, fume-free alternative to traditional generators, perfect for versatile, on-the-go power needs. Joymate 3-in-1 phone stand with Bluetooth speaker combines a 360-degree rotatable phone holder, high-definition stereo subwoofer, and clock with customizable alarm and snooze features. Compatible with all smartphones and tablets, it supports Bluetooth for high-quality sound. Its adjustable display offers a dim, calming glow at night and a bright screen during the day, with options for 12/24-hour formats and daylight saving time adjustment. This sleek desk accessory enhances your setup, handling calls, music, and time management seamlessly.